Hey guys, welcome back to another Joe Mueller fast food review. Today it is Smashburger up at bat, and they have a brand new burger that I am very excited to try. It is their Carolina BBQ burnt ends burger right here and now. Up next, stay tuned. All right, guys, so I went to my local Smash in Hicksville, and I got the brand new burger, guys. I'm really excited to try this one. Now, I got a single, and I had them add onion rings for me. Wow, check that out. All right. Let me take you guys in for the much deserved and detailed Carolina BBQ burnt ends close-up. Alrighty, guys, and here it is in all of its fine glory. Brand new from Smashburger, the Carolina BBQ burnt ends. And check it out, there is definitely some burnt ends. I got the onion ring. I see the patty. There's the barbecue sauce. This all looks absolutely fantastic, guys. I'm gonna try this right now. I really can't wait. And let me see what this bad boy cost. I think it was $14, guys. All right. I'm gonna give this a shot and tell you exactly what I think. All right, guys, this absolutely smells fantastic. I can smell the barbecue sauce. And check this thing out. This definitely has some heft to it. And I just got a single, actually. So, all right, we're going to go in. What do we say? Salute. OMG. Wow, guys, this burger is absolutely fantastic. The burnt ends, they absolutely melt in your mouth. They got a real good smoky flavor. Definitely what is helping is the sweetness of the barbecue sauce. Wow, this is really fantastic, guys. This is major here, guys. They are not screwing around. All right, one more bite, and I'm going to give it a rating. Mmm. This is very serious, guys. I swear to God, I don't think I ever had a tastier burger than right here. This is a 10 plus, knock it out of the park hit. It is fantastic. These burnt ends are freaking awesome. What is really impressing me is the deliciousness of the burnt ends, how they absolutely melt in your mouth, coupled with this Carolina sauce that is absolutely has the perfect amount of sweetness. The burger, it is absolutely juicy. It is freaking crazy. I swear to God, guys, I could go in and devour this within seconds. However, Sweetie Pie is working, and I want her to have an awesome snack, so I'm going to save the remaining parts of this burger for her to absolutely enjoy. She works so hard, and I want her belly to smile from ear to ear. All right, guys. The Carolina BBQ burnt ends is an absolute rock star. The person who put this together at Smash needs a really, really big hug. This burger is absolutely incredible. If you are lucky enough to live near a Smashburger, definitely go out and try this. I swear to God, you will definitely thank me, and you will want to shake the hand of the executive chef at Smashburger that came up with this freaking thing. And the burnt ends are, they say they cook them for 8 hours or roast or barbecue or whatever they're doing. The best. Honestly, what I would really like to do is I'd like to go back to Smashburger and get the burnt ends on the side and try them solo with a little bit of their barbecue sauce. Oh my God. That's a really, really good idea. All right, guys, if you are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and you will always be notified when I upload a video. From the home studio in Hicksville, that is an absolute wrap. Take care. God bless. So long.